Wow, am I excited today. You know who's here with us today in the Sharp Kitchen in Montvale, New Jersey? It's Debbie Schaeffer from Mrs. G. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I am so excited.
I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah, it's wonderful, right?
Yeah,
and let's see, your tagline is life.better, right?
That's it.
Ours is Simply Better Living. So between life.better and Simply Better Living, we've got a party going, right?
We certainly do.
Yeah, and so we're really excited. We're so pleased that Mrs. G is actually carrying this product.
Yes, we are.
Which we call the world's revolutionary, evolutionary way to cook in America and across America. We've sold about 2 million products worldwide for superheated steam.
Yes.
And you're actually using the product, you've been cooking with it, you've had demonstrations with it. How's it going?
It's been amazing. It's been absolutely amazing. We've used all the modes. And you know what we love? It actually toasts.
Wow.
It's amazing. So
Yeah,
you
it's
don't
great.
even need your toaster
It's
anymore.
unbelievable.
It takes over that.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting because you sell a lot of giant ovens, and this really can take the place for
Right.
everyday cooking.
Every day.
That's easy in use.
Right.
So how about you and I, we go through the product?
Let's do it.
We're really excited about this product. So fat claim, we said it's evolutionary and revolutionary, which it really is, right? But the important part about the product is when we say it's revolutionary, as you know, it's the only countertop superheated steam oven that will cook at up to 485 degrees superheated steam.
Every time we cook in it, it tastes amazing.
Yeah. So let me tell you about the features of the product. We said you're cooking with 485 degrees superheated steam. Should we tell them the secret?
Go ahead.
The real secret is we're cooking with water. Everyone's worried about being healthy these days. So the first benefit of the product, it's cooking at 485 degrees superheated steam, brown on the outside, moist on the inside. The second big victory for this product is what we call sheet pan cooking. Okay, these pans are 12 inches and a half by 12 inches and a half, which means that they're about 40% larger than any countertop oven out there. And you can cook your asparagus, your broccoli, all your vegetables, your potatoes, your salmon, all of it on one tray. This is called a crisper tray. So we would use this for toast and for pizza. By the way, sheet pan cooking, the real benefit is you don't have to clean the pots. You don't have to clean the pot for the salmon and the pot for the broccoli and the pot for the potatoes. It's very simple. You cook it all on one tray, very easy. So you save time in cleanup and you save time in your actual cooking process. But here's the real winner. No preheat, no wait, instant on. So we can take food directly out of the freezer that might be frozen for 3 days or the refrigerator, bring it out, put it in and turn it on. And not have to turn on the big oven and wait 15 minutes to get it to 485 degrees. A real time savings product.
For a very busy lifestyle, this is a great countertop oven.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. And the other part of this that we really, really love is how simple it is to use. There's 5 settings that you can set this on. There's toast, there's warm, pizza, bakery heat, broil, grill, and that's it. 5 easy settings. And because you're using sheet pan cooking, you can cook 9 slices of toast all at once on here, and it makes it very, very easy to use. And the last thing I'll tell you is on the reheat. And I think you were talking to me about this, that you could take bread or cheese or slices of pizza that were in the refrigerator for 5 days or 3 days, bring it out, and because you're cooking with that superheated steam, it refreshes the bread, it refreshes the cheese, and literally brings it back
It's
to life.
what a difference it makes
Yeah.
when you cook with steam to reheat bread from the freezer into the oven. It's amazing.
It's really amazing, right?
Yeah.
Did you say gluten-free?
I certainly did.
I think you just redid your whole kitchen, didn't you?
Absolutely. I redid my pantry.
Your
Our
pantry?
pantry.
Oh, just the pantry,
Yes.
sorry.
To make sure I want to cook healthier. I've been gluten-free for 5 years, but now I want to just explore with a lot more recipes, so I'm anxious to use the recipes
Yeah.
that you offer on your site.
Let's go ahead and set this to broil grill. We'll just hit this button to select. 485, yes, that's what we want. So we're cooking with that superheated steam, brown on the outside, moist on the inside. And then finally, we're gonna cook it for 30 minutes. So it's gonna be so delicious and so well done. And we'll just open it up and we'll just place this wonderful tray. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful?
Now this recipe is on the blog.
We have an enormous amount of gluten-free recipes, how to cook all these different delicious vegetables and chicken and salmon and pizza are all available at sbl.com. shop.sharpusa.com. Make sure you go there.
That's amazing, because
Yeah.
I love it, the fact that it comes with a lot of recipes.
Yes.
And more recipes are coming.
That's right, they're coming every day. And by the way, we get recipes from the community, we get it from bloggers, we get it from
Yeah,
you.
right.
You have a chef, don't you?
Yes, we do.
She's a
Yeah.
terrific chef, so
Yeah.
it's all very good, all very positive. So now, we're just gonna touch the start button, and we're gonna start cooking. You know, Debbie, one of the things I really appreciate about Mrs. G is how all of your employees love Sharp products
They do.
and got behind this product, right?
They do.
And we do some of the cooking events there, right?
Yes, we do.
And I think a few of them even have it. They've taken it home and they're using the product.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it's really, really great. Right?
Wonderful, wonderful product.
Yeah, yeah. And we also have our built-in superheated steam oven, right? 3-in-1, 485, 212 in convection.
We cook on that. That's also live all the time. And your team has been at our store doing demonstrations at our events.
That's
And
great.
we all look forward
That's
to
great.
the food. It's
That's great.
wonderful.
So Sharp, who sold over 2 million superheated steam ovens worldwide, our goal is to be the leader in America on superheated steam. So we have a countertop version, we have the built-in version, and we're really driving it. But with your support and your team's support and the local community of the independents, the independent dealers, the small business leaders, we are going to make a mark. We'll be a market maker in superheated steam thanks to Debbie Schaeffer, Mrs. G, and all of the independents.
So this is also a great unit for people to get used to steam cooking.
Yes.
And then really see the benefits of it. So when they're ready to do a kitchen remodel,
Yes.
more than likely, they'll go ahead and put that superheated steam built-in unit that we have.
Yes. So this really, we'll
Yeah.
call this the Trojan horse, right? But now, by the way, we're just about done. Hear the sound? You have a little alert,
Nice,
right?
yes.
And we open up the door, and then we just pull this out,
Fantastic.
and look at
Look at
brown on the
that.
outside, moist on the inside, and all done. Oh boy, does that smell good?
It smells so good.
Right? And so here we go. We did all of this cooking, gluten-free, chicken, the best vegetables you could possibly have, potatoes, carrots, everything, on one oversized 12 by 12 sheet pan. And guess what? What's the cleanup? Come on, you're giving me back more time. I want more time. So there's no pots to clean, no pans to clean. We're ready to serve a family of 4 or 6, or even just ourselves. It's fantastic. You know, there's one thing that I know about America. America loves pizza.
Oh, yeah.
I know we did the gluten-free food. I know we did all this chicken and vegetables and wonderful, but some people have children and some people have me, and I love pizza. And you know what's great about this wonderful, Sharp Hilcio superheated steam oven on the countertop is that we have a crisper tray. And that crisper tray means that you can cook pizza on this side and it cooks the bottom perfectly. So basically, I'm just gonna pull this out of here. Look at it, it's all ready to go. And I'm just gonna lay it in this tray, just like that. I'm gonna take this away right now. And all we do, Debbie, as you know, is place it right in here.
So easy.
So easy, right? And wonderful, we don't have to preheat the big oven and wait 15 minutes. It's gonna start smelling delicious very, very quickly. And we turn this very simple to a pizza setting. Can you imagine a pizza setting on this beautiful
So
480, it's unbelievable.
Easy.
And so you just click select. We're gonna take it to 485 and we're gonna cook it now for 14 delicious minutes. Now all we do is click on start and we're ready to go. So you know, Debbie, we love cauliflower.
Yes, we do.
There it is, live life on the veg. We got great healthy food. We got gluten-free, which I know you love.
Yes.
And we love healthy cooking.
Yes.
So now we've cooked cauliflower. Let's see how it comes out when you put it in our superheated steam oven and cook with water. So let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, here it comes. There's that beautiful sound. And let's open it up and see what happens. Look at the steam. That's superheated steam coming out. Not smoke, not grease, superheated steam. And let me reach over and take a look at how delicious cauliflower pizza, gluten-free looks. Debbie, look at that.
Beautiful. That's beautiful.
Isn't that deliciously
Yes.
gorgeous? Now we're gonna have some fun, Debbie.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's time for dessert. And probably you're cooking other items around the kitchen, and now you have time with the superheated steam oven to go ahead and cook. What are we gonna cook? Are those brownies?
Those are brownies. Everybody loves brownies.
Everybody loves
Oh,
brownies.
excuse me.
And by the way, notice that we're going to do this in the crisper tray, so we'll get the steam coming up from the bottom and cooking from the top also. We just slide it in. And now we simply go to bake, reheat. 375 is how we're going to cook it, and we'll take it up to 30 minutes and we start. Now wait a second. Is there a lot of time savings going on here?
There's a lot of times. You don't have to preheat the oven, but most important for those that don't have multiple ovens, they're going to do other courses because they're actually having another oven on the counter.
That's
Because
great.
this will do the desserts, this will also do appetizers while you have your main course in the oven. So
Yes.
it's such a great tool to have. It's perfect.
There it is. Let's see. And there's that steam. Wow. Brown on the outside. We know it's going to be moist and delicious on the inside. Doesn't that smell delicious?
Smells delicious.
Well, let's place it over here. And hey, Debbie, how about if we cut it up into bite size for all of our friends and family?
Okay, I'm going to let you cut it up, but I'm going to go for the ice cream. To put on the
Okay.
brownies, okay?
Very good. This is unbelievable. Debbie, just look at how delicious those brownies look. Sorry we didn't have the ice cream.
So
But we
delicious.
got
We have
delicious whipped cream, right?
Perfect, perfect.
You know, Debbie, the great part about this, we're going to save time not having to cook pots, have pans, and cook all this delicious food. But the other thing is, both those trays, the crisper tray and the broiled tray, are machine washable.
Yes.
Right? You can put them right into your dishwasher, clean it up, or you can clean it in the sink. That's one of the other benefits. So easy cleanup, ready to go for the next meal, right?
That's right.
And so finally, we're really, really excited to have spent the time with you today.
Thank you, Peter, for being a great partner.
Thank you so much, Debbie Schaeffer, Mrs. G.